up, guys? Today we're going this a-hole. Where are we going?
I'm the nicest guy you could ever meet.
Where are we going?
We're going to a precision machine in Sac.
What are we buying?
We aren't buying anything.
Yeah.
I wish we was.
It's your money.
It'd be a lot cheaper.
It's your money. We just buy everything with your money.
A new 416 for the GTO so I can finally drive again.
So you can drive again. We'll be back out there.
Is card easier?
No, we can take cash at the window.
Put it
card?
Yeah.
Go ahead and flip it over for me. It's gonna go in that top slot. Perfect. Can I have you pull forward real quick?
Yeah, we'll leave one. Yeah, go ahead and hit that 15%.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What do you guys have going on?
Going to pick up a motor.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Where at?
Up in the Sac.
Okay. Well, drive safe, guys.
Will
Have
do.
a very good day.
Love you too.
Like how I got you.
I know I
leave
got
a
me.
tip.
You feel obligated to leave him a tip. I'm like, what am I, a bid? I'm like, no.
You guys think he drove this here from Hawaii? Got a Hawaii plate. I don't know. It does look kind of rusty.
This shit looks like zip tied on top of another plate.
You think? Oh, you're right. It is. That's hecka funny. He for sure took that plate.
What's the front plate?
It's an old guy. He didn't take it.
His son stole that shit.
No, he
took
it for sure. He took it for sure.
He for sure committed a crime and put a Hawaiian plate on his truck not to get caught.
I'm vlogging my day, so you gotta say hi to everybody.
Oh shit. Hold on. What up, everybody?
Who are you?
Jose on the ones and twos. Seaver Stunts here, coming in live from California.
So we're here at Precision Machine and Engine. Just to let you guys know, I'm trying to walk now. I walk like an old man right now. Probably how I'm gonna be walking when I get old.
Molly forged pistons. It is bored over to a LS3 bore, you know, but we don't do that unless we sonic check the cylinders.
Okay.
So it has plenty of meat. But this isn't going to be like a good engine if you're going to be running a lot of boost.
No, I'm probably going to stay right on 10 pounds.
10 pounds?
Yeah.
You guys moving right now?
Yeah.
I can if you need me to.
Yeah, this is his parking spots right here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to be coming in and out of there.
No worries.
Okay.
Yeah, asshole. Move your shit. This dude's got heads sitting out here. Getting ready to get worked on. Look at that. Oh, that shit comes in handy for sure.
Oh, man. I use this thing for everything.
Back, we'll try to get in there as far as we can.
Oh, yeah.
It's good you got the boost there.
I was just about to say you better lift that so I don't drop on the crank. Fucking guy. There ain't your bearings.
Nah, it's landing on them fancy main studs.
It did not land on that. It landed right on the creek.
Oh, did it? No, it
Yes, it did.
didn't. But this?
Out here walking like a retard. Now we can go buy some dope heads.
I ain't buying shit.
Oh, oh. I almost died trying to get in. What you got going on over there? What you got going on, my guy?
Oh no, I'm riding. It might be going like this. I'm like, what the hell is going on?
How'd it go, my boy?
Is that the send?
No, no send. There's too much traffic.
It went alright. Not too shabby. It feels like I said, like, from the,
Needs an alignment.
you know?
Oh, coming in. Boy, my leg. We were getting yelled at, Jay. She said I was a handicap. These are handicap parking.
He said, look at this. He said that he's not handicapped. He got a one broken leg.
I'm just making it right now, bro. We just get to the store. We can walk straight. Get the video. We can walk straight. Track Hawk? That thing is cool. I don't know what that thing is.
Hey, I built one of those to race on Forza.
On Forza?
Yeah. walking faster than you though.
Man.
They tan, so I keep them clean though.
We might get in trouble right
She's
now.
gonna be like, alright, go outside. Yeet. Making a lefty. Yes, ma'am. I was about to say, sir, I don't know why. Look, she backing up like we're going that way.
She look angry, boy. Look at her. She
She's
probably
staring at me. Look, you can see through the mirror.
She gave me the devil eye. She looked at me like. Hey, handicap boy, I do not need a skateboard.
You can lay on it.
Nope. She thought I was handicapped.
Look at the way you're walking though.
Yeah.
Got an alignment rack now.
Yeah.
This cool thing.
Shoehorned it in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, it's good. I mean,
Oh, you got 2 lifts in here.
yep.
Damn. Yeah.
Tires, Drift Cave, Corvette, 777, the base for the bank.
She ain't mad no more.
Field!
Oh, my dog.
This gentleman with a new color, it seems to be bringing some